Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve PowerShell high CPU usage in Windows 10 computer. So the PowerShell high CPU usage in Windows is when a PowerShell process or powershell.exe consumes an unusually large percentage of your computer processing power. This can happen for a number of reasons and often leads to noticeable performance issues such as slow computer, applications running sluggishly, and increased fan speed and heat. And potential causes include resource-intensive script, malware or cryptominers, corrupted system files, outdated system, and antivirus software. And then I'll show you some initial steps to resolve these issues. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to use the task manager. So all you have to do is to right click on a taskbar, and then you need now to select this task manager. And then once you open up here at task manager, and then you need to press this keyboard shortcut Control plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. And then once you press this keyboard shortcut, then you can see now with the high power usage in this task manager. So if you see some powershell.exe at the top of the list, right click and choose End Task to temporarily stop the process. So all you have to do is to right click, and then you need to click this End Task to temporarily stop the process. Alright, so once you're done here at task manager, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to try the clean boot. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu. And then here you need to type system configurations. And then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at system configurations, so under the services tab, and then click. And then tick hide all Microsoft services. So if you see this hide all Microsoft services on left side corner, then you need to tick this box. And the next step on right side, then you need to click or tap this disable all. Alright, so once you're done here at disable all, and then head over to the startup tab again. So click this startup tabs and then click. The next step, then you need to click this open task manager. And then once you open up here at task manager here at startup apps, and the next step, then you need now to select those third-party programs. So if you can see here some third-party programs, all you have to do is to disable. So all you have to do is to right click, and then you need now to click this disable. Okay, so right click and then select this disable to fix this error. Alright, so once you're done again here at task manager, if the error is still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to fix the corrupted system files. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then you need to type here cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to click or tap this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then you need to type and enter this command keyword as fc space /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword as fc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scan all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete. And then after here at CMD, then we need to close. And there here at the power button, then we need to click this restart to fix these issues. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.